These are the elevators at 5340 Fryling Road, at Knowledge Park, at Penn State Behrend, in Harborcreek, Township, Pennsylvania. These are Otis Erie's ones from 2001. Get the right car. Oh my god. Inclined slanted panel for a hydro. Interesting. Go up to 3, interior go up. Other one's coming down. Typical Otis recall. You're at 3. Door bumped a little bit. Slow door. Go back down to 1. I'm not sure this is a single tenant or if it's just they're have a sign there. Paying for sign certificate. Like I said, installed in 2001. 88 phone. I think it's owned by Penn State and oh well, I guess that's not going to close anymore. It's a basic laminate cab. Phone box is now stuck open. Oh well. Key switches under there. You're back at 1. I think this building is owned by Penn State and like leased or managed by Otis. I'll try to see if I can close that phone box off camera. Oh well. That closes and that's going to be it.